A whole bunch of them. Them neon markers pencils that I got. I was looking for some watercolor something. Hey y'all, hey, it's you, and she back for another video. Welcome back to my universe. Welcome to my universe. If you are new, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, please. I'm gonna give you a chance. Thank you. Hello. This another Dollar Tree haul. I know. We're not gonna talk about it. I'm not even gonna put monthly in the title. We just gonna put it's a Dollar Tree haul. Oh my God, I didn't even see this whole row of stuff. I gotta get out of here. They got mini books. Oh, they erasers. Wow. I wanted that, but it's broken. Ew, hella paint. Brushes.
They're going to leave it like that so someone can think they needed my stuff.
They got all of them. All of them. Everything. Do I need any coffee cup? No. Oh my goodness. And they had some good brushes in there. I got hella glue sticks because I always need hella glue sticks. Oop, this candle just came out. But it's this good morning candle, so I can light that in the morning. Got these for my lotion, make my lotion in. I don't know. Namaste. Oh, hold up. Brushes.
Can I have some? You want to put the top in there?
Okay. So I got some little emblems, right? I want to use these for spells. So I was thinking that I could use this one for like to bring communication. If you want to communicate with somebody, you know, this is a nice little chair for y'all to sit down and talk or whatever. See the flowers, the love, the energy. Okay. Then I was thinking about this one for balance. Excuse my voice, y'all. I was thinking about this one for balance, right? Because they look like they on a seesaw, balance. To bring someone to you or drive them away or manifest a new car. To cross bridges, let bygones be bygones. To knock down walls and fences, right? To bring someone to your home. Also, I do want to manifest the RV or mobile conversion van. So, yeah, that has multiple uses. Then for new home, to bring people to your home. Things about home, basically. This one is definitely to protect your home, right? Because it's the cactus. Cactus is for protection, and it's a house. So, yeah, that's what I got that for. Excuse my voice, y'all. Then I have these little animals. I always resonate with red birds, deers, rabbits, of course, for like fertility, and owl. I think that's a hedgehog and a turtle. I got these feathers for my dream catcher, what I'm going to make out of this. So actually, I plan on taking this bell off because I want an ancestor bell to call my spirits. So I plan on taking that bell out and trying to put it inside of this lantern. So I'm going to take this candle out and try to put the bell in there some type of way. So that'll be that. As far as art, I just got some watercolor, some zigzag scissors, and then this butterfly I plan to just actually use for one of my dream catchers. So I'll put the butterfly in the middle, use some yarn, wrap, add some feathers and whatnot. And then I just got this bag to put these little things in until I figure out what I'm going to do with them or where I'm going to place them. So that's basically it, you guys. Oh, and I plan on making a phoenix bird out of this one. So turning her red, adding some red feathers, making her like fire, flame, explosion. But yeah, I hope that you guys like this video. Don't forget to comment down below if you have any suggestions or things that you want me to try out. And don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I love my tribe. Peace.